Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve longest increasing subsequence program. The task is given a sequence A of size n. Find the length of the longest increasing subsequence from a given sequence. Input output, I will explain the example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First line is the number of elements. Second line is the details of those elements. Like this. Remain in the same way, remain test case also. The output way is by seeing the second test case. In this, two longest increasing subsequents are there. Those are 5, 8, 9. Another one is 5, 7, 9. Both lengths are 3. So output is 3. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. See this. For test case, I am using t variable, taking the value of t. To execute all test cases, I am using while loop with t minus minus. In that, for number of elements, using variable n, take the value of n. To storing all elements, I am using an array with a size of n. Then take those values. To solve this task, I am using a function longest increasing subsequence. I am passing two parameters. One is address of array, another one is number of elements. See this. This is the function longest increasing subsequence. In this, for explaining entire sequence, I am just using this part only. By seeing this, in this part, the longest increasing subsequence is 5, 8 only. So output generated as 2. You will get the idea about this code by taking these 3 elements. So assume this is a one of separate array with the size of 3, and those element details are 5, 8, 3. See this. How our code will work. dp of n. I am using one more array with the size of n to store that up to, by saying this element, the length up to this element will be stored in the sequence length is stored in the dp. So see this. This is the first element. This length is 1. By the second element, compared to this, 5 is 5 and 8. Both are longest increasing sequence. So this stores a 2 value. For the 3, there is no lesser element before 3. So this stores a dp value is 1. This is the dp storing the values of those lengths of longest increasing subsequence. Initially, LIS is nothing but length is 1. dp of 0 equal to 1. First one having the length 1 in dp, the same position. Then our traveling starts from 8 to 3. So I equal to 1. We are at the position of 8 and I less than 3 and I plus plus. So I is 1 less than 3. So true. Then comes to the this block and taking two more variables to travel up to I. For that I am using j value, and t is used for the sequence up to that element. How many lengths possible up to that element stored in the t. So j is started traveling. J is 0, 1, 0 now. 0 less than 1. True. Then check this. A of I is 8 is greater than A of j is 5. True. And t value is 1 less than or equal to 1. true. T value incremented. T value 2 now. J value incremented to 1. 1 less than 1 is false. Stops execution. dp of 1 is equal to 2. T value 2. So it is stored in this. dp of 1 is 2. Check this if condition. LIS is the length, longest length. Length of increasing subsequence is 1 is less than 2. It is true. So LIS stores the value of 2 now. Then I value increments. I value is 2 at the position of 3. I value 2. Once again, J value is 0, T equal to 1. So J value is 0 and I value is 2 now. In this condition, see this, no element is less than the 3. So 3 is not greater than of any element in the before sequence. So this if block not execute, T value not incremented, but J value incremented continuously. It is reached to 2. 2 less than 2 false. While loop stops execution and dp of 2 is 1. T is not incremented. So it is 1. But 1 is not greater than LIS. LIS value is 2. 2 less than 1 is false. This if block not executes. So I'm taking only up to this. So I value is incremented. I value 3 now. 3 less than 3 is false. It stops for loop stops execution. It returns LIS. LIS value of this 3 element is 2. 2 is the output for this 583 sequence. For entire sequence, we get the value of 3. See this. Our code is right or not by compile test. Yes. By taking this first test case, expected output is 6, our output is 6. Then submit. Yes. Correct answer with execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.